In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move conversation in Slack. If you've ever shared something in the wrong place or realized a message belongs in a different channel, this walkthrough will show you how to forward it quickly and clearly without losing context. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Slack. Then click the official Slack website and sign in to your workspace. Using Slack on the web or desktop works the same for what we're doing here. Once you're in, open the conversation that contains the message you want to move. This could be a channel or a direct message. Scroll to the specific message you want to send elsewhere. It helps to confirm that the destination channel or person is appropriate and has the right audience for the topic, so you keep your workspace organized. Hover your mouse over the message. You'll see a small toolbar appear with quick actions. Look for the share or forward icon. It typically looks like a paper plane or an arrow pointing right. If you don't see it immediately, move your cursor slightly over the message until those icons appear. Click the forward icon. A sharing panel will pop up. Here, choose where you want the message to go. You can search for a channel by name or pick a direct message if you need to send it to a specific person. If the destination is private, make sure you're already a member. Slack won't let you share into a private channel you can't access. Before you send, you can add a short note to give context. Something like why you're forwarding the message or what action you're asking for. This extra line helps the recipient understand the relevance without hunting through the original conversation. Attachments included in the message will be referenced appropriately, and Slack will attribute the original sender so credit and clarity are preserved. When you're ready, click Forward. You'll see a confirmation, and the forwarded message will appear in the destination with a link back to the original. Keep in mind, this doesn't remove the message from the original conversation. It creates a shared copy so teams can follow along in the right place. That's it. Open Slack, find the message, hover to reveal actions, click the forward icon, choose your channel or person, optionally add a note, and confirm. With this simple flow, you can keep discussions aligned, reduce cross-channel noise, and make sure the right people see the right information at the right time.